Hello friends, I'm Professor Kumar and you are at Galaxy Online Learning from Galaxy Tutorials. Today we will be seeing an important chapter in Mathematics 10 CBSE, which is called Quadratic Equations chapter number 4. I remind you that after the 30% portion cut, I will only be dealing with portion which is there in the exams for you, my friends. We will not do anything extra now, but if you feel like practicing, please get back to us. We would be ready to help you for your knowledge or further exam, career exams or later on. Okay, but this portion is strictly according to the new revised CBSE 30% deducted syllabus. Okay, so we will start quadratic equations. Our exercise 4.1 deals with what is quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? My friends, any equation in a variable. Now for example, 3x square plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Highest power is 2. Highest power is 2. The degree of the equation you can see decides that it is quadratic. So, if it is 4x minus 6, this is like 1. This is linear equation, not quadratic equation. If it is 5x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 5, you see this is 3. This is not quadratic equation. Okay, so be very careful to decide what is a quadratic equation. We are starting with the first exercise which deals with this. How to write quadratic equations and what are quadratic. So first question is solve. And I'm having first x plus 1 square is 2x minus 3. I'm having this. Okay. Left hand side is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. That is x square plus 2x plus 1. When you expand it, my friends. Okay. Right hand side is 2 into x minus 3, that is 2x minus 6 when I open the brackets and I multiply each term by 2. Now, my friends, both sides we have got, so I can rewrite the equation. Therefore, x plus 1 the whole square is 2x minus 3. Hence, x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2x minus 6. So I got this and I got this as here, substituting. Then we will move the sides and then try to get an answer. Okay, so when we see this, x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So I will get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So in this place, this is how we go forward. Okay. So, second, we'll go to sum number second. Now, highest power is 2. My friends, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Which of course, I'll be right an equation. Okay. So, second sum we will see. Sum number 2. X square minus 2x is minus 2 into 3 minus x. So now we are doing directly now. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 3s are minus 6. Minus into minus plus 2x. Be careful with the sign. Okay. Now x square minus 2x plus 6 is 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is 0. Okay, quadratic equation. Okay, so they have said solve the following and state which are quadratic equation. Quadratic equation yes, quadratic equation yeah. That is how we go about it. Third sum, sum number 3. In sum number 3 I have x minus 2, x plus 1 is x minus 1, x plus 3. Okay, so I will open this up. X square plus x into x square, x into 1 minus 2 into minus 2x minus into plus minus. X into x square, x into 3x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into plus 3, minus 3. Be careful with the sign. So, x square plus x minus 2x is minus x, minus 2 is x square. 3 minus 2 is, or minus 1 is 2. Get it? Something like this. Okay? Now, in this case, when you subtract x square minus x square minus x minus 2x minus 2 plus 3 is 0, bringing all the terms on one side. Now this and this will cancel. This will become minus 3x. This will become plus 1 is equal to 0. This is linear equation, not a quadratic equation. The highest power is 1. Highest power is 1, not 2. So this is not a quadratic equation. We'll go for the fourth one. X minus 3, 2x plus 1 is x into x plus 5. Okay, so opening out 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is x square plus 5x. Bringing all on one side, 2x square minus x square minus 5x plus minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so 2x square minus x square, 1x square, minus 5, 10, and minus 3. Of course, it is a quadratic equation. Highest power is 2, as you can see. Let us see sum number 5. In fifth sum, I am having 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is x plus 5 and x minus 1. Opening the brackets, 2 x into x, 2x square, 2x into this minus 6x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 minus 3 plus 3. Be careful with the signs. X square minus x plus 5x minus 5. Getting all the terms on one side, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is x square plus 4x minus 5. Therefore, 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 is 0. So, I will get x square minus 11x plus 8 is 0. Highest power is 2, therefore quadratic equation. Okay, this is how we will do. Coming to sum number 6. What do we do with the sixth sum? In the sixth sum we have x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. In the sixth sum. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so x square minus x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. All terms on one side. Now this and this will cancel, my friends. I will have 7x. I will have minus 3 is 0. This is, as you see, power is 1. Therefore, not a quadratic equation. I need highest power as 2. Otherwise, we cannot go forward. Okay? So, this is how we do. and we have sum number 7. Sum number 7. Sum number 7 says x plus 2 the whole square, the whole cube, is equal to 2x x square minus 1. Okay, please see the equation, x plus 2 cube. Okay, so they have given us like this. So this will be a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus, say, I will give you the breakups also so that you can do 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 the whole square plus 2 cube. This is equal to, okay, a cube plus, okay, this is how we complete 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Learn the formula for expansion. 2x into x, 2x cube. 2x minus 1, 2x. This is how we open up, my friends. So, this is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 4 3 are 12x plus 2 cube is 8 is 2x cube minus 2x. Bringing all on this side. Okay, so I will have 0 is equal to 2x cube minus x cube plus minus 6x square, then minus 12x minus 2x minus 8 is equal to, equal to 0 we brought here. Because bigger number is here, we have taken all on that side. Otherwise, we will have to change the sign. Okay, nothing great. So now you can see in this already that I get x cube minus 6x square, okay, minus 14x minus 8 as 0, but highest power is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. Highest power is 3. I need highest power 2. Okay, and now we'll do sum number 8. Last sum in sum number 1. What does sum number 8 say? X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is x minus 2 the whole cube. So, I have x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, okay, and then I will have to expand. So this will be x cube plus 3 into x into minus 2, okay, into x minus 2 cube. So this will give me x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is x cube minus 6x into x minus 2 minus 8. Okay, or when I complete this, I will get 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is 0. This and this will cancel. Now see, my friends, this has got the highest power 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. That is how to do sum number 1. Okay, my friends, so we will see the next sum. So just from your lower standard, just expansions, and we have to decide highest power is 2, so degree, and then we go for it is a quadratic equation. Extremely simple. Practice. At least it will improve your algebra skills. Your algebra skills normally are very poor because you do not practice the required number of sums. You just see the answer and you know, it's very easy. And at the time of exam, you get confused. Silly mistake, as you call it. Please practice. This exercise will also help you to practice expansion. Question number 2 is to convert words, sentences into quadratic equation. It says that first, area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Okay, length of the plot in meters is one more than twice the breadth. Length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, find the length, find length and breadth of the plot. This is the sum they have given us, my friends, as you can see, and we are supposed to convert it to the quadratic equation. So this says, so first we will say, let the length of the plot be x meters. Okay. Now, if you take length, it says length is one more than twice the breadth. So do not start writing as you read, and instead let the breadth of the plot. Why? Because we can't get two variables. We need only one variable. I can't let the length be x, let the breadth be y. It will not solve my problem. It is not a quadratic equation. So let the breadth be x. This is correct. Okay. Therefore, length is twice the breadth and 1. So 2x plus 1 meters. Okay. Then I am told that the area of the plot, area of rectangular plot is length into breadth. That is 2x plus 1 times x. And I am told this is 528 meters square. So 2x square plus x minus 528 is 0. Okay. This is my quadratic equation. Answer. Okay, we are not told to solve the equation. We are supposed to form the equation. Be careful, my friends. We are not to solve. We have to form. We will, of course, solving in the next exercise. Now I have sum number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Okay, find the integers. Okay, this is the question which is given to us. Two consecutive positive integers, my friend. Now, you can take any number. If I take 5, next consecutive positive is 6. So, if this is x, this is x plus 1. One more than the previous is the next positive number. Okay, so we will write this. Let the positive consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. Now we are told product. Product means multiply. X times x plus 1 is 306, or x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0 is the answer they require, my friends. This is the quadratic equation. This is the answer. It is a quadratic equation. Let's see sum number 3. Okay, please see that again, as I remind you, this is only expansion and we are not doing anything greater than that. Number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, the product of their ages okay, in years. 3 years from now will be 360, and we have to find Rohan's present age today. Again, my friend, we have to form an equation. We don't have to solve the equation. We are only forming the equation part. Now, present means today. 3 years from now will be, add 3 years more, so 2023. So, let Rohan's present age be X in years. So, we write years. Okay. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan. Therefore, present age of Rohan's mother is 26 years older, X plus 26 years. 26 years more older. After 3 years, my friends, present age and after 3 years. Don't forget. Rohan and mother. X plus 26. After 3 years, add 3, add 3. Okay? Don't forget. Okay, so now they say product of these ages, the product of their ages 3 years from now. We have to multiply this and this, and that will be 360. So I'm having the equation as X plus 3 multiplied by X plus 26 plus 3 or 29, you can write directly, is equal to 360. You can write 29 directly, there is no problem. Therefore, run out of the bracket, x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is 0. Therefore, x square plus 32x minus 273 is 0 is the answer. This is the quadratic equation. That is how to do the sum. Have a look. Okay, sum number 3. Let us look at sum number 4. A train travels a distance. Train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Okay, we need to find speed of the train. How to write the equation for a problem like this. Okay, have a look how to do sums like this. First, let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Then Therefore, time taken to travel 480 kilometer is 480 by x hours. How did I get this? Speed is distance upon time. Distance covered upon time taken. Therefore, time is distance covered upon speed with which you cover the distance. Don't forget from physics. Okay, so this is how I get time taken. Why I need time taken? Because they only told me it would have been 3 hours more if the speed changes. Okay, distance remains same. So now, if speed is 8 kilometer per hour less, then time taken for same distance is 480 upon x minus 8 hours. Speed has been decreased by 8. We are told the difference would be 3 hours. You will take 3 hours more. So slow speed takes more time. Don't forget, my friends, 480 upon x minus 8 minus fast speed, faster speed is 3. Okay. Now we can remove therefore 480 common. 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Okay. Or when I now simplify by cross multiplying and take 480 on the other side, I will get therefore x square minus 8x is 160 into 8. Therefore, x square minus 8x minus 1280 is 0 is the answer, my friends. That is how to do the sum. Okay, my friends. So this was question number this, and with this we finish the exercise. So kindly practice, my friends, and please register yourself, collect your study packs and solve the sums from the study packs, the practice sums, the past paper question sums, practice sheet A, practice sheet B, what has come in the previous exam, question bank. Kindly collect your study packs. As you can see, study pack 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 have already been issued. Study pack 4 and 5 come this week. So please practice, do not waste time, and kindly come to us with the difficulties. Give your suggestions, etc., so that we can make the lectures more interesting for you. As it is, we are cutting the portion, showing you what is cut, so you don't have to bother. You follow this with a notebook and a pen, it will be all perfect, my friend. Any difficulty, any problem, anything you need more, anything to change, please let us know. Okay, thank you.